Hi everyone, Chad Burton, CEO of CuroLegal, and today I'm here to talk about using freelance attorneys in the practice of law. Using contract lawyers or freelance lawyers is really not that new. However, it's becoming more and more popular, especially when we see in other industries this concept of the gig economy growing, the Ubers and Upworks that you see all over the media. This is becoming more popular in the legal industry as well, where lawyers are taking on individual projects for other lawyers, and this is a great way for law firms to scale and grow a modern firm without going through the exercise of hiring a bunch of lawyers. So I want to cover the benefits of using freelance attorneys, both from the perspective of the lawyer seeking those services as well as the freelance lawyers themselves. So first, on the lawyers hiring freelancers to do work. What are those benefits? Well, first of all, you don't have to hire new employees or bring in partners. That can be a challenge. We've all gone through that. So growing a firm can be a challenge if you are dealing with all the HR and the politics of having other lawyers in the firm. Plus, maybe your firm isn't busy enough for a full-time or even a part-time lawyer. Hiring a freelance lawyer allows you to scale on a month-to-month basis based on the amount of work you have. So 1 month, it might be that you have a ton of work for a freelance attorney to do, so then you're going to pay more money to that person. But maybe the next month, that work isn't there, so you're going to pay less. This allows lawyers to scale their law firms in a way that is manageable based on the flow of work coming in. There are also benefits for the lawyers providing the services, the freelance lawyers. Not everybody wants to work in a traditional firm environment nowadays, so being a freelance lawyer allows you to run your own business as a freelancer and take on different types of work, so it creates a lot of variety. It also creates a lot of different revenue streams. Maybe you have an existing firm or you work for another firm but want to take on different work. So you may have your primary work from the firm, but you can also take on a secondary revenue stream at that point. So how do you get connected with the freelance world? Well, there are really 3 good ways. One is you could hire a solo freelance lawyer to do special projects for you. 2, there are companies out there that actually employ lawyers that then contract with law firms to provide services. This is especially popular in the e-discovery document review world. And then a 3rd is looking at freelance attorney markets. So, for example, Custom Counsel, which is part of CuroLegal, is a marketplace of freelance lawyers that law firms can go and hire freelance lawyers from around the country to do individual projects. This is a great way to find lawyers who have special skill sets or experience to help deliver such services. For more information, check out